News now from Jammu and Kashmir, and 16 tourist spots that were closed in Jammu and Kashmir after the Pahalgam terror attack are now being reopened for tourists. The government had shut over 4 dozen sites across the Union Territory after the terror attack, and all of them will be reopened in a phased manner. Let's go across to Nazir for more on this story. And Nazir, this is after proper security audits. Tell us also the sites that are reopening from today, and Kashmir ready to welcome tourists back.
Well, I'm here at Betab Valley, right outside the Betab Valley, and I'll show you the number of troops who have gone inside to protect this area. And this is the place, because after proper security audit, government has decided to open at least 8 tourist sites in Kashmir Valley and equal number of sites in Jammu region as well. Betab Valley is one of the important tourist spots here in Pahalgam, and it is a place where Bollywood movie Betab was shot here in 1986, and it was named after Betab film. So there are several other locations which have been opened because people were coming here, tourists, but they were really feeling frustrated when everything was closed. They were going to marketplace in Pahalgam and then everything was shut. But now because of this, government has finally decided to open these tourist places, and some of the people have actually started coming. Perhaps these are local workers, but this is a place, one of the places which is being opened. भैया आप यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं? काम कर रहे हैं आप यहाँ? काम कर रहे हैं? क्या शुक्र है बाकी यहाँ सुनो ना, आज ये खुल रहा है ना?
हाँ आज खुल रहा है।
खुल रहा है? आप क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ? कोई
काम कर रहा हूँ मैं।
दुकान कुछ चल
नहीं, टिकट
अच्छा,
और अमेज़न पार्क चला रहे हैं।
तो इतने महीने बंद रहा, 2 महीने करीब बंद रहा, आपका काम भी मुतासिर हुआ?
हाँ
हाँ
हाँ।
तो अब खुल रहा है फाइनली?
हाँ आज खुलेगा।
खुशी है कुछ? खुशी है?
खुशी क्यों नहीं होगी सर?
हाँ?
खुशी तो है।
तो आज टूरिस्ट आ जाएंगे यहाँ वापस?
हाँ आ जाएंगे।
जी 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 जी, चलो शुक्रिया। So this is, but I'll show you again. This is the security here deployed. Apparently BSF troopers, they have been deployed. So paramilitary is deployed across this region, because after proper security audit, the government decided to open these tourist places in phased manner, and today is the first such phase where 16 tourist locations are being opened in the valley. Here at Betab Valley, then you have Kukarnag, Verinag, and then you have Achbal. They are being opened. And I'll show you another thing. This is a place which has known for this water. It is gushing water, forming waves and smashing and crashing against these rocks here. This is Lidar River, known for this is mesmerizing actually tourists here. So finally we could see the tourist spaces which were closed after Pahalgam terror attack have finally been opened be here today. The first phase of this opening is today. Perhaps I just first tourist. आप tourist हैं?
जी सर।
अरे good to see you. आप पहले पर्यटक हैं जो इस पार्क में आप जा रहे हैं, बेताब पार्क।
जी जी
वैली में। जी जी। कहाँ से आप आए हैं?
हम हरियाणा से सर।
हरियाणा से?
जी सर।
तो बंद था 2 महीने, अब 2 महीने बाद खुल रहा है?
हम तो सर 7-8 दिन पहले के आए हुए हैं।
तो लेकिन पार्क बंद थी?
कोई नहीं जी, करते
लेकिन
और कहीं घूमे हैं।
अच्छा अच्छा।
श्रीनगर जैसे, श्रीनगर से फिर आगे हो गए थे सोनमर्ग, गुलमर्ग, वहाँ।
तो इससे पहले कभी यहाँ आए हैं बेताब वैली?
नहीं पहले नहीं आए,
पहले आ रहे हैं।
सुन के आए थे कि भाई हमला हो गया तो देख के आए कैसी जगह है।
जी जी जी,
इस चक्कर में आए।
जी जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। So tourists have started coming here to this Betab Valley just once or twice, because unless you open this space, how will you restore the confidence of tourists? That was actually the bigger question, because all these years, for last 2 months, everybody was saying if things have normalized a bit, train service has started, things have moved on after the horrible terror attack, why government is not opening these tourist spots? And finally, the first phase is today, and 8 spots in the valley are being opened today, 8 in Jammu region, and this is one of the favorite destinations for the tourists in Betab Valley here in Pahalgam.